Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the newest feature on CapCut for PC, body effects. So if you are using CapCut for PC, you probably know that before we can't add a body effects to video in CapCut, but now we can do it. So here is what you need to do. So import your clips and then just go to effects, and then here you'll find there are video effects and also body effects. So if you want to use the body effects, just click on this, and here you can find some category like we were using on mobile version. There is trending, body, hardware, cover-ups, and others. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your need the most. For example, I want to use the flame right here. So click on this arrow first before adding it to your video, and then click on the plus icon, and here is what the result after you add the body effect. If you want to add more than one body effects, you can just do that. So after the first one, you can add another effects. For example, this one, I'm going to download it first and then add it to track, and the final result will go like this. So it will change automatically. Okay guys, so that is how you can add body effects to video in CapCut for PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, likes, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.